Want to make your Excel sheets error-free and more efficient? In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel step by step, whether for surveys, data entry, or dashboard. Hey everyone, welcome back to the data trail. In today's video, we will learn how to create a drop-down list. Drop-down lists prevent errors, speed up data entry, and ensure consistency. Instead of typing values manually, users can select options from a predefined list, making your spreadsheets cleaner and more professional. Let's create a simple drop-down list. Here we have some data and we want to create a drop-down list for the status column. So first we will select the column where we want our drop-down list. Then we will go to Data tab. We will select Data Validation and in Allow, select List. Now in the source column, type the values which you want in your drop-down list, and these values will be separated by comma. So here we will type completed, comma, pending, comma, not started. Now click apply, and that's it. Your drop-down list is created on these cells. Now you can just select from this drop down and select the value which you want on your report status column, like pending or not started, or even here complete. Now what if you need to update your list frequently? So instead of manually typing options in the source box, let's create a dynamic drop-down list. For the dynamic drop-down list, first we will create a list, a separate list. You can create it anywhere. You can create it on the same sheet, or you can create it on a separate sheet. So we will create a list here. And not started. We will convert it into a table, and in the data validation tab, where we selected the list, where we selected the source, instead of source we will select our list and we will apply. Now if we remove this, now we will again have pending, completed, pending, and if we add something here, it will be added automatically and it will show here. Now what if someone tries to enter an invalid value? Let's add an error message. We will select our cells, we will go to Data Validation tab, and we will go to Error Alert. Now here we have two options, blocking and warning. What's the difference between these two is, for blocking, drop-down list, whenever someone enters an incorrect value, it will block the user, it will not accept the input, and it will give an error message. If you are going to select warning, it then when someone enters an incorrect value, it will accept the value and only give a warning. So now it depends on your choice, whatever you choose. I will be selecting blocking, and here I will type error message. In alert message you can type incorrect value, or you can just guide your user regarding what is acceptable. So I'm going to write only acceptable values are completed, complete, pending, not started, and in process, and we will apply. Now if someone enters an incorrect value, it will give a warning, only acceptable values are completed, pending, not started, and in process, and we can retry. and select from this value. There are several real-world applications of drop-down lists, such as collecting structured responses for surveys and forms, marking present, absent, or on leave on employees' attendance sheet, selecting product services from a predefined list in invoices and order forms, and letting users filter data interactively using dynamic dashboards. And that's about it. That is how you create drop down lists in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the Excel tutorials.